So this is how it goes. You're a smaller YouTuber, you're growing your YouTube channel, you want to start live streaming, but it's scary and you really don't know what to do, how to start, what you're gonna say. It's nerve-wracking, I know, I've been there. This video is my tips for you guys on things you can do when you start live streaming as a small YouTuber. You're gonna get a ton of benefit out of this video, so stick around to the end. Let's get into it.
Hey, hey, that's what I like. I like it. That's what I like. I like it.
Anything that's an inspiration come to you, let me know in the comments. If we haven't met before, my name is Liz and I really love sharing everything I'm learning while I'm growing my YouTube channel, good, bad, and in between. I try to really encourage you and motivate you to get out there and grow your YouTube channel. I like to tell you the things that work for me and the things that don't work for me and everything I'm learning in between. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I think you should. There's gonna be great information for you, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's jump into today's video topic, all about tips for doing your live stream. All of these tips are going to help you to create that engagement with your viewers so you don't have to be nervous anymore as a small YouTuber doing live streams. First tip is to book your live stream 24 hours in advance at least. So put it in YouTube Studio or put it in your streaming software if you're using that. I have started using StreamYard and I'm going to be giving a lot of tutorials on StreamYard coming up. Subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell because that is coming. But for my first tip, book your live stream 24, 48, even 36 hours in advance. That's gonna give the most time for the most of your subscribers to see that you're doing a live stream on their homepage, and hopefully they're going to click that bell to set a reminder and make sure they're gonna come back to do your live stream. My next tip, so that I can increase engagement and really create a valuable live stream that people want to keep showing up to, is encourage people to chat in the sidebar as my live stream is sitting and waiting to start. Why don't we shout out our early bird commenter, Lifestyle with Sarah. You know where to find me. Your YouTuber shout out sticker needs to go in the mail, so reach out to me for that. It does get people to show up and put some activity on my video before the live stream is actually going active, and that's really good for the YouTube algorithm. It shows the YouTube algorithm that there's engagement on my live streams before they've actually started, and that in turn is going to get the algorithm to show it out to more and more people. So the tip takeaway from this is somehow encourage engagement on your live stream before it actually starts. So my next tip is to read the comments that people are leaving in your chat bar out loud and say their name. This really makes them feel engaged. It also takes away sort of that awkward moment when you're doing your live stream, when you're kind of reading in your head what people are saying. You don't have to do that. Just read the comment out loud. I think that is absolutely vital to having a really great and engaging live stream that benefits your viewers. My next big tip, if you want to have a great live stream, plan to include your audience. Ask them questions all throughout the live stream. If the topic of your live stream is tips on cleaning their house, ask your viewers, what's your favorite tip about cleaning the house? What information can you provide to everybody that's here? So that way you are asking them questions, you're getting them to fill out that comment box, you're getting them engaged, and they really feel like a part of your live stream. So include those viewers as much as you can by planning to ask them questions, and then back to the previous tip, read those answers out loud. That's how you're going to get everybody involved in that live stream and create a live stream that people don't want to leave because they're an active part of the conversation. We definitely want to create a community with our YouTube channel, so doing these tips is going to help you create that truly authentic audience who are invested in your channel and want to keep showing up. My next tip for you starting out doing live streams is celebrate wins for your viewers. When somebody has something great that's happened, I ask everybody that's on the live stream to send some emojis and, a round of applause, and everybody really does light up that comment bar with emojis or congratulations or whatever it is. So again, we're working at creating a community where it's not just me sitting there being a talking head doing a live stream feeling nervous and feeling like I'm by myself, but really I'm creating a situation where everybody who's watching the live stream stream is truly an active participant of the live stream. Now I want to share with you guys some quick tips of what I do to promote my live streams before they go live. First tip is share them in. Hopefully you have a Facebook group started for your YouTube channel. If you don't yet and you're curious about that, go ahead and watch this live stream right here. We talked about 10 tips to build your audience. If you don't have a Facebook group, we have a Facebook group, my community here on my channel. I'm gonna put a link to that Facebook group down below so you can get more information on that. Of course, post it on all your social media links, that works. But better than that, share a link to it with a personal invitation on your Instagram messaging or Facebook messaging, or both if you can. I just take a link and I send it over as an invitation, and I just say, hey, invitation to join onto the live stream. This is why I think it would benefit you to join the live stream, and here's the link if you feel like checking it out. Another way to promote your live stream, let everybody know that you have that live stream coming up, and because you will have already set up your live stream, you can put the link for that live stream in the comment box down below. So you might say in your video that goes out Wednesday, don't forget I have a live stream coming up on Friday at noon. I have dropped the link for that live stream down below in the description box. Don't forget to click that link and hit the set reminder bell so that you know when that live stream is and you can join that live stream. While we're saying this, it feels like an accurate time to remind you guys that I do live streams on my channel Monday at noon Mountain Time that are all about Motivation Monday, sharing the good vibes, just making the world a better place. I love it. And on Fridays, I do 4 creator live streams. So if you're looking for chat on YouTube and to meet other creators, that's the live stream for you. That's on Fridays at noon Mountain. The last thing I want to show you guys, because you're a little bit nervous when you start doing live streams, is this right here, this one person waiting. That can get a little demoralizing, especially if you did launch your sort of landing page or your waiting page 3 days in advance. I'm going to show you why you need to let that go. I'm going to copy this link to my live stream and I'm going to open it up in another blank page right here. If I jump back over to my original screen, now it says that there's 2 people waiting. So that people waiting, it's only showing you if those people are actually on YouTube. And don't get demotivated by that number over the week. You will see that people are waiting for your live stream just before you go ahead and launch it. Hopefully you're using that comment section to really drive the communication and get people excited before your live stream. If you liked this video, if you like the idea of me doing more live stream content, leave comments down below. I'd really love to hear from you. I want to know what your questions are. What are your questions about live streaming? I really enjoy doing it, and I am a learning out loud for you guys, so I promise to dig up and, you know, try all the things. Please help me reach my goal of growing that YouTube channel and getting really wonderful content out to as many people as possible by subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm doing my live streams and you can join in. If you're looking for more content, I'm going to link a video right here for you. I'm gonna also link a playlist right here. I'm super grateful you're here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon.